Hey everyone, Banggood's review jumping right into this Mi Band, the most popular fitness tracker based on the market sales. There is some big improvements in my opinion, but we will discuss all that pretty soon. Banggood channel is here to help you make a purchase decision. Welcome everyone. Going over the physical features first, some things to point out right away. There are new looking Mi Band got bigger screen than previous one. Same exchangeable bands without the needs of special tool, so you can swap them for different color. Curved edges around the sides, and rather than have a button that is different material, is just slightly indented. One of the things that set the Mi Band 3 apart from many other feature-laden smartwatches available is 5 ATM water resistant rating, withstands pressure equivalent to the depth of 50 meters, making it a charm when being exposed in rain, splashing, accidental submersion, showering, surface and swimming. Now the band itself it's nearly identical, so those who are familiar with the Mi Band 2 comfort-wise feels practically the same stretchiness or elasticity, the same secure locking mechanism, and it's almost the same size. There is your heart rate sensor, which I will show you how accurate this is later in the video, but it can accurately monitor pulses and active and resting heart rate changes to generate professional heart rate report. XIAOMI Mi Band 3 with ensures about 20 days ultra long standby time for full charging, and the charging time is about for 2 hours. Now jumping onto the screen here and seeing what data is available, you have your time and date. Next step after that is your steps counting, heart rate, weather and messages. I will go in details. For example, if we swipe down we can see the steps counting, then side left we will see the distance. If we keep sweeping we will see the burned calorie and the battery indicator. Swipe down, heart rate indicator. Swipe down shows the weather. Swipe left we can see the tomorrow's weather and the day after. Messages to read. The messages we have to swipe left. The next is stopwatch. Mute the phone. Find my phone, and the last one is the interface. Yeah, by tapping the button you can change the interface. Now through the app you can set the screen unlock, event reminder, alarm, app alerts and the idle alert. For example, if you've been inactive for an hour, the Mi Band will vibrate and tell you to get up and basically perform a couple of steps for a couple of minutes to keep you active throughout the day. And many features like goal notifications, incoming and D&D mode. You can set the mode to activate lift wrist to view info. 24 hours heart rate detection mode. But this mode will reduce the battery faster. Sleep assistance improves the accuracy of sleep monitor. Find phone ringtones, band display setting. For the activity like outdoor running you can set up GPS mode and the Mi Band will vibrate when you reach the destination. Treadmill mode will show you the distance, heart rate and how many steps you did. Also, the Mi Band has the ability to display the phone numbers and those who are calling you. You can set up multiply vibrating alarm in a day and any combination of days including weekends. The vibrating from my experience is a good and it's been able to wake me up every morning from bed. Mi Band 3 is a seriously huge upgraded through with better wristbands, with bigger screen and extra feature of notification is a huge plus. Now if you like it you can order the Mi Band 3 from our websites for $40 US. The link will be placed below the video. And if you like it, the video, support me with your likes. That's all for today. Thank you guys for your time. Take care and I will see you in the next one.